Okay, I have a wonderful effect performed by Jason Ladanye. And this particular effect was created and published by Jim Steinmeier in 1993. And I can say without exaggeration, if a person is to learn just one card trick to take with them throughout their entire life, this is the one to learn. Now, Jason will show a bare bones version of this effect. If you want to see more elaborate presentations of this great card routine, take a look at the links in the description below. Also, take a look at Jason's original performance to hear his explanation of what he's doing. And if you want to see amazing sleight of hand card routines, then subscribe to Jason's channel, and I'll add that link below as well. But for this particular effect, no sleight of hand is needed. Okay, so for this we need 9 random cards. The spectator can choose these. Have them deal the cards into 3 piles of 3 cards each. Then have the spectator randomly choose any one of the 3 piles and take a look at the bottom card of that pile. Now Jason's going to show you that the bottom card of all 3 piles are actually different cards. Okay, so there's no trickery. So let's say the spectator chooses the middle pile. It's a 9 of diamonds is their card to remember. Put that set of 3 on top of one of the other sets of 3. Put the larger packet on top of the final set of 3. Now all he's going to do is spell out the name of the card. 9, N-I-N-E, drop the rest on top. O-F, drop the rest on top. D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S, drop the final card on top. And believe it or not, he knows exactly where your card is. It's in position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the middle position for a packet of 9 cards. Now, the amazing thing is the spectator could have lied about the identity of their cards. So he's going to do it again, but not use the name of the card they saw, which is the 2 of clubs, but use some other random name. So he's going to stack them in the same way, but this time he's going to grab a random card and use that name instead. So I think it comes out to be the Jack of Clubs. J-A-C-K, drop the rest on top. O-F, drop the rest on top. C-L-U-B-S, drop the rest on top. And their card, the 2 of clubs, is still in the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th position, the middle position of that packet of 9. And it doesn't matter what card name you spell, you will find their card every single time, guaranteed. So I encourage you to take a look at Jason's original performance, as well as a list of routines on my channel using this card principle in really fun and creative ways. Now, one idea I thought I would give you before we close is instead of just showing that their card is in the middle position, the 5th position, you can do some fun spelling. Okay, so what I've done here is I've just grabbed 9 cards, but I've selected a red card to represent our 2 of clubs. That's after the spelling routine. So instead of just showing the spectator that it's 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th from the top, what you can do instead is do something like spell out magic, M-A-G-I-C, and reveal it that way. Or if you turn it into a lie detection trick, you could spell truth, T-R-U-T-H, and reveal it that way. And another great way to reveal it is to use the Klondike Shuffle. So you could spell magic or truth and just take the top and bottom cards off as one. So for magic, we go M-A-G-I-C, and you'll reveal their card every single time. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and access the links in the description below and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.